Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bridget in Guilty Gear Strive using an easy method. Bridget is a quick character who uses her yo-yo to control space and create openings. Your main goal is to keep opponents at a distance with your yo-yo, then rush in for quick, damaging combos. Mastering her movement and understanding her special moves will be crucial for success, allowing you to dictate the pace of the match and overwhelm your adversaries with a flurry of attacks. Let's dive into Bridget's essential special moves. Starship is fantastic for catching airborne opponents or extending your ground combos, often leading to significant damage. Rolling movement offers incredible mobility, letting you quickly close distances or escape dangerous situations. Her yo-yo special is perfect for setting up traps, forcing opponents to block or take damage. Finally, Roger Dive provides a powerful aerial option, great for surprising foes from above and initiating new offensive sequences. Now, let's talk about some easy combos and pressure techniques. Begin your offense with fast, light attacks such as 5P or 2K to confirm hits. From there, you can easily transition into a 2D for a knockdown, which sets up a perfect opportunity for a yo-yo trap. Incorporating Starship after a normal hit is a simple way to add extra damage and extend your combos. Remember to vary your attacks between high and low to keep your opponent guessing and break through their defenses. Finally, let's cover defense and neutral play. Bridget's quick backdash is excellent for creating space and escaping aggressive opponents. Rolling movement is also a fantastic tool for getting out of the corner or quickly repositioning yourself on the screen. When in the air, consider using air dashes, either forward or backward, to bait out your opponent's anti-air attempts. For solid defense, always prioritize blocking low and be ready to react to any overhead attacks your opponent might throw your way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.